What I have here is an MP3 player, and I have a card with Spur box sessions, which I reverse the audio and then I speeded it up to a certain speed, which I didn't fully get there, but I tried to get it the same speed that I was recommended to put it on. So it's a bit like an app, folks, except for I have the raw audio on a computer. If anything happens, if anything comes out front ways, which it shouldn't, I can compare it to the audio at home.
Yeah.
Hello? Can you still come through and talk to us? Can you speak? I know this is you. Are you serious?
Hello?
Did you see I hear that?
I hear that. Can you tell me your name? Yeah.
Do you know what our names are? Can you say any of our names? Is Ed or Dave here? David. Wow, that's impossible. That can't happen. Who said, come on, David?
Getting pens and needles all over my arm and my back.
None of this should make any sense. It's backwards.
And it
It's
doesn't
reverse
make
audio.
sense. Can you tell us where you're at?
Miserable.
You're miserable. Are you happy? Hope so. Where do you live? Where's your home?
I'm nearly sure that's a backwards fight. Yeah, it is a backwards pipe. There's a lot that doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Can you see us?
Is Dave here? Who said Dave?
Do you need help? How can we help you?
Help.
How can we help you? Tell us. What can we do for you?
And then he's trying to come through. 40. I'm gonna miss her.
Can you tell us again when he's there?
Can you say any of our names? Is it heaven? Heaven or never? Awesome. What's awesome? That is backwards audio.
That is some stuff you don't know it's gibberish like.
Because I have a Whiz audio on a different file.
Yeah.
Who's Dave or Ed? the maps won't work.
And that actually does work.
That is
really does.
almost the same as an app. It's an audio bank that I made.
Yeah, the other. Yeah. Have you anything you want to tell us?
Who's that? Ed used to keep going through. Whereas me, that was me putting the cat.
Sorry. I must let this age it out.
Can you see me right now? Ed.
And again.
Yes. Ed, yes. Who said shit?
Shit.
Yes. Yeah. We're going to have to go soon. We're going to go soon. Please.
So fuck.
I don't know. I missed it.
Hi, sir.
Can you tell me where you are right now?
Is it a good place or a bad place you're in? Hello?
We're going to finish now soon. We're going to say goodbye and leave you in peace.
Bye-bye. Can you say bye to us, please?
Right, I'm going to turn this off.
Right.
That was this radio. I usually run this slow. You usually hear that little bits and pieces. I turned the speed up, and I plugged in a Zoom recorder here, ran it for I think an hour it was, so I'm an hour 5. Or over an hour I think. But it is shortened because what I done was I got the audio from this and put it into my audio editing software, flipped it around, and then I speeded it up even more than I've already speeded it up on this. Speed is the thing with this, and that is why a lot of these apps fail.
Yeah.
I worked on this in the background for a couple of months with different types of audio with the mind that I was going to fail. But I don't think I failed on this one.
No.
You know, this has kind of proved me wrong, sort of thing. Do you know? But you got these other apps like, I'm not going to name the apps, but you can hear them running slowly. Now, it was somebody in the audio and filming industry that told me about speeding up that audio and that gibberish.
Yeah.
And I think we got direct responses
yeah.
there. Now, what I can do with that, is I can take that section and line it up with the raw file, and I can get a visual picture of both of those files.
Yes.
And if there's a change, it possibly is a change in because we spoke.
Right.
But if there is other differences
It'll show.
that comes up with that we didn't say anything or whatever, it could be that the audio has changed.
Yes.
You know, but I don't know. I don't know what to flip and tell you.
I don't.
Do you know that? I done a load of audio softwares. I even done an audio with French speakers. Now, most of the time it was a female voice, so, and that's where I kind of failed because I didn't have that masculine voice as well.
Yeah.
But that's a mixture of voices. You know, I might do that other bank again.
Yeah.
And mix in some French male voices to get more of a frequency there. But everything is all to me. I always flip it around just in case while making the software, I get EVPs in embedded in it while I'm making it. So when I do all the work I need to do, I flip the whole lot. Just in case there is an EVP in there, and the EVP is flipped and it's no longer audible, kind of thing. It's not a thing I'm habit of doing.
Yeah.
I like my radios, but that was flipping. That was
good. Yeah.
Interesting.
It was.
Folks, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm looking forward to listening back to that, and hopefully those responses are there. That it wasn't. Sometimes our minds you get caught up in pareidolia and stuff like that. But I'm going to listen back to this one for sure. You know, folks, we're going to go. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
That's a